Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope for best of your health and iman. Today in this episode we are going to discuss about some important long questions. In last episodes we learn about all the topics, and the previous video we talked about the short questions which would be important from the Punjab University point of view, and today is the long questions which can be asked in the exam according to the context of the bacteria, its importance, its structure, its growth, in all the content covering the bacteria. And the first long question here we have is to describe the structure of the bacteria. The most important question is the structure of bacteria. Question number 1 is structure of bacteria. So this is a long question, so it can have the credits like 4, 5. So for this if you want to get the total 4 or 5 marks, so you have to tell in detail the structure of bacteria. Okay, if you are going to tell about the detailed structure of bacteria, what are the points you should cover in the bacterial structure? But in bacterial structures there are almost, we have learned about 12 13 points about the structure of the bacteria, starting from its cell wall, its covering, its cell membrane, cytoplasm, its organelles, its gas vacuoles, and it's all the organelles, its chromosomes, its DNA. Organelles mean not the double membrane bounded organelles, just the small structures which it is have which it is have. And as you know that it has outer structure as well as inner structure. So I can tell you all the points. So if you say about the outer structure, you're gonna tell about the capsule, it's a slime layer. Then comes the flagella, pili or fimbriae. Then from the outer structures to come to the cell wall, and after cell wall then the cell wall comes the cytoplasmic membrane. After cytoplasmic membrane, some specialized membranes, mesosomes, photosynthetic membranes, and the cytoplasm. And in the cytoplasm then comes its genetic material, whatever the genetic material it have. So ribosomes and other things in nuclei, and plasmids, which is the extra chromosomal DNA which it have. And then comes the spores and cysts, and the last one is gas vacuoles. So in this way you have to tell all the points, because it's a long question, so it's about 10 main points which you have to tell in this question. Okay, then comes the second question. The question number 2 is growth phases. So you have to tell a detailed note on growth phases of bacteria. What are the growth phases of bacteria? So here we have the growth phases of bacteria. For the growth phases of bacteria, as we have discussed, the growth of the bacteria, growth phases of bacteria has the stages. So is the lag phase, stationary phase, log phase. You're gonna tell about this, and also the graph which I have discussed with you in a full detail, the graph showing the 4 stages: lag, log, stationary, and also the death phase. So in this way you have to tell all the 4 stages in detail. So this is the the phases of the growth phases of the bacteria, what they can ask from the growth phases of bacteria. So again it can be of 4 or 5 marks, and it is according to the I am telling you according to the pattern of the Punjab University. So it is the two most important question. Then one more question which comes in the context is about the nutrition of the bacteria. So it can be right like this, that the nutrition of bacteria. Write a detailed note on nutrition of bacteria. Nutrition of bacteria. So for this question, what you have to discuss in the nutrition of bacteria, as we discussed about its nutrition, its its autotrophic mode, its heterotrophic mode, and in autotrophic mode photoautotrophic, chemoautotrophic. So these things come, and then comes the heterotrophic mode. So in heterotrophic mode we discussed is like saprotrophic, parasitic, and symbiotic. So these are the things which you have to tell in the in its nutrition of the bacteria. Next, question number 4 is biological role of bacteria. Write a note on biological role of bacteria. Okay, if you have this question like the biological role of bacteria, so what you have to tell in this question? Biological role of bacteria, as we have discussed, biological role of bacteria which we say in its rhizosphere bacteria, in rhizosphere bacteria, role of bacteria in nitrogen cycling, role of bacteria in decomposition and nutrient cycling. So these points, you see, they come in contact with the biology. So this is the biological role of bacteria. It also have one more which is we have discussed, like nodulation, symbiotic association. I hope you will remember these points. So these are the all points which we have to tell in the biological role of bacteria. So these are the question number it was the question number 5. Question number 4 is the biological role of the bacteria. Okay, then comes the question number 5. Question number 5 is define transduction and write an essay on the transduction. So we have question number 5 here. Define transduction and write essay on transduction. So for this question, what you have to tell? For this question, you're going to define the transduction, the definition of transduction, as we have discussed many times that transduction is a process of transfer of genetic material from one organism, one bacteria to the other bacteria through a third party involvement. So in this way transduction take place. And the for the note or the essay of the transduction, after definition, we're going to tell about the detailed mechanism of the transduction, experiments which we learned from the last context, that how the transduction were discovered, what scientists did, their experiments, their YouTube experiments. So in this way, and then comes the types of transduction or the patterns of transductions, which are specialized transduction, generalized transduction. So in this way you're going to tell about the transduction. So this is the question number 5 for the a long question. Now we have question number 6. So question number 6 is transformation. Write a note on transformation. So what we're gonna discuss in the transformation? For the transformation, we're gonna first of all give the definition of transformation. So after, when we give the definition of transformation, the second point which we're gonna tell is the experiment. The experiment which they did for the transformation, identification of the transformation. So this is the experiment. And after the experiment, we're going to discuss about all the results of transformation. Then the transforming principle, you have to tell what is the transforming principle. So you have to give all the points. What is the transforming principle, how they classify, how they identify, how they give the name of the transforming principle. So in this way we're gonna tell about the transformation of transformation in bacteria, the process, how the transformation takes place in the bacteria. Okay, then comes the question number 7. Question number 7 we have is the economic importance of bacteria. Economic importance of bacteria, as you know, it's little bit long, more than other questions, but it's most important questions because this question involves a useful bacteria as well as harmful bacteria. So we have to tell about the useful impacts of the bacteria, how the bacteria are used in beneficial ways, like we have discussed that it has role in the pharmaceuticals, it has role in the it has role in the is biotechnology, in genetic engineering. So if we take about the point of the biotechnology, so for the case of the biotechnology, we have learned about the fermentation, about the pharmaceutical role of the bacteria, about the food food products, about the agricultural industry, microbial mining. So these things are these things have to discuss in biotechnological role. The second point which we can tell about the economic importance in the case of useful bacteria, it can be genetic engineering and bacteria. How the genetic engineering can be is in bacteria have the role in the genetic engineering, like the example of insulin. We have discussed insulin and these things. Then comes the role of the bacteria in the fiber ratting, how it help for the fiber ratting, these things, and the role in the digestion. So I can tell you the points. What are the points? Biotechnology, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में इसका बायोटेक्नोलॉजी हैव इस रोल. देन फाइबर रेटिंग, genetic engineering, digestion. So these are all the useful roles of the bacteria. You can manage your question like this: 5 points you should tell about the useful and as well as for the harmful bacteria. It also have one more like vitamin synthesis or waste disposal. Then comes the harmful bacteria, and for the case of the harmful bacteria, we're going to discuss about the plant diseases, animal diseases, pathogens and disease causing agents like this. And the second one is the food poisoning. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for coming on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Make sure to follow me on Instagram.